Good morning. Today we're shoeing at one of my favorite places because it's so remote and we can bring all of our dogs and they get to run around and the horses are good. So I thought I would take you guys along with me.